Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roku Indoor Smart Plug SE and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this plug not connecting to your device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your app or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get this plug back to the way it was when it came out of the box new with everything wiped off of it so you can set it up new, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. All we want to do in order to do this is make sure it's actually plugged into a plug that has power as shown here. And all we need to do is come over here on this side, this power button here. We're just going to press and hold this power button, keeping an eye on this status light over here on the right, and just keep holding this power button until this status button begins to flash blue. That will indicate that the reset is complete. It's entered setup mode, and then you can go ahead and set this plug up as a new device.